why did I write this book? Well, when I had been promoted from a developer to the development manager, I had a team of kids. I say kids, they're in their 20s that needed to learn, really how shoes are put together so that they could design and develop and take those beautiful creative drawings and make them real. So I had been collecting photos and stuff and videos from inside shoe factories for years and years. And I put it together into this book. It's called How Shoes Are Made. You're going to see pretty much what it looks like inside of a real shoe factory, from the design to the development to the production, all that good stuff. There's a big glossary of terms. You'll see what a blueprint looks like and a pattern. You'll really sort of learn the language of what modern shoemaking is, and really how if you're going to work for Nike or a big brand like Adidas or those guys. So come on, check the book out. It's called How Shoes Are Made. It's available on Amazon. We also have it at our website here at shoemakersacademy.com.